Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can set up your payment methods in WooCommerce. So first of all, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard, and once you are on the main page, the first thing that you need to keep in mind is to go to WooCommerce on your left hand side and go for the extensions. Now once you are in the extension, we need to search for WooCommerce payment extension, and once you have searched for this particular extension, this is made by WooCommerce official, so you just need to click on this, which is WooPayments. So you need to tap on this add to store. Once you do so, you need to log in with your account. So once you have done log in your account, you just need to tap on this add to site for both of your Stripe account and for WooPayments. So you just need to add the URL of the WooCommerce site that you would like to add this extension to. So I will simply put my WordPress site link. So after putting the URL of your WordPress site, you will be taken back to your WordPress where you need to tap on this connect button. As you can see, once connected, your Wook.com purchase will be listed here. So I will simply tap on connect. And as you can see, after approving the connection, this is installing our WooCommerce payments to our WordPress site. So now it has taken me back to my plugin page where you need to scroll down, and as you can see, our WooPayments are now activated. So in order to set up, you just need to go to the settings of your WooPayments now. And then as you can see, we have all the options to accept our payment from Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and all of the famous payment applications. So I'll simply tap on this finish setup to finish this particular payment process. And now you need to approve this again and enter your personal details. So I will just do it quickly. And after putting the necessary details, as you can see, it is now finishing up my setup for payments. And after that, you just need to enter your login information of your Stripe account and you are good to go. Once you are done, you can now return back to your WordPress site and your payment method in WooCommerce has set up successfully. So that's the process of how you can set up payment methods in WooCommerce.